Hi guys, I hope you've had a nice day today, and I wanted to give you guys a tutorial because I know that tomorrow a lot of you guys will be trying to log in, making sure that you have your Google Classrooms going. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's say that you're on your internet page, you've logged on to Google. So the next step now, here on this side, you're going to have a blue button that says sign in. Mine is already signed into my account. That's why I can see my name here. For you guys, once you're signed in, you're going to see an S for student. The username that you're going to use is your student ID. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you put your at students.alvinisd.net. The password is your first initial, last initial, year of birth, and then add 2 zeros at the end. Most of you guys are familiar how to log in because we've done it at school. So then you'll go over here to the waffle. You'll scroll down until you see this classroom. Click on the classroom. When you get there, if you're logging in for the first time and you're joining, you're going to click on this plus sign and click join a class or join class. Your class code that you need to enter here can be found on a message, and I'll put it on the story too for the class dojos, and you can find the different class codes there. Once you've put in your class code, so let's pretend you've done that, you're going to see the classes appear here that you're enrolled for. So you'll click on, let's go Molina's 5th grade math. And pre-AP kids, you're going to do the same thing, except yours is going to say pre-AP math. Then it's all going to look the same for you guys. It's going to be a message from me, and it'll say that all your resources to get you through your first week of the digital learning are found here. So you guys will have what's called the peak of the week. I'll open it. And this is what the peak of the week looks like. It tells you for all your subjects what you guys are going to be, what the goal is for the whole week. And then if you look at activities down here, Monday through Friday, no surprises. You'll know what to expect. So let's go back to the classroom. You guys will always have an agenda. And again, it's going to tell you Monday through Friday exactly what you need to do. This page is the most important one because it has all the links for each day. So you'll click on these links. Of course, you can always work ahead. And if you need to access the portal, let me click on portal so you know what I'm talking about. This link up here. This is that page that you guys get to all the time when you're at school. This is the page that has all the links to Brain Pop, Education City, Fun Brains, Imagine Math, Imagine Learning, STEM Scopes, everything that you're used to using at school. If you anytime want to get to that page, the link is at the top of the agenda. So if you have any questions about this, please send me a message or a text or an email. And so happy learning, and you'll be seeing a lot of us. Say bye.
Bye.